أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن محمدا رسول الله
أجب عن الأسئلة الآتية بالنفي مستعملا لم. أبكى الطفل؟ Did the child cry? لا. لم يبكي الطفل. No, the child did not cry. كويت القميص? Did you iron the shirt? You have to say I didn't iron. لا. لم أكوي القميص. لم أكوي القميص. Because of لم, ya is removed. أشكاك المدرس إلى المدير? Did the teacher complain against you to the principal? لا. لم يشكني. No, he did not complain against me. دعوت زميلك إلى البيت? Did you invite your classmate to the house, to the home? لا. لم أدعه. No, I did not invite him. بنيت? Did you build? بنيت. بنيت. Did you build بيتا جديدا? Did you build a new house? لا. لم أبني. No, I didn't build. محوت اسمي من دفترك? Did you erase my name from your notebook? لا. لم أمحو. لم أمحو. لم أمحو اسمك. No, I did not erase your name. آتى المدير? Did the principal come? Did the headmaster come? لا. لم يأتي. No, he did not come. أرميت القمامة في مكانها? Did you throw the garbage in its place? في مكانها. لا. لم أرمي. No, I didn't throw. أرأيت عليا في الفصل? Did you see Ali in the class? لا. لم أره في الفصل. No, لم أره. I did not see him in the class. لم أره في الفصل. تشكو داش إلى المدير يا أستاذ. شكا يشكو تشكو. داش إلى المدير يا أستاذ. أدخل لن ناهية على الفعل الذي بين القوسين أمام كل جملة. See here within brackets the fail is given. So you have to use lan nahiya. Lan nahiya is, it says not to do something. Don't complain. La tashku. La tashkuni ila al-mudiri ya ustad. Don't complain against me to the principal sir. Don't build the masjid in this road. La tabni. Ya will be removed. لا تبني. لا تبني المسجد في هذا الشارع. Don't cry oh boy. لا تبكي يا ولد. لا تبكي يا ولد. Don't cry oh boy. تطوي. لا تطوي هذه الورقة يا أخي. لا تطوي. طوى يطوي. Don't fold this paper oh my brother. لا تطوي هذه الورقة يا أخي. تجري. لا تجري في الشارع يا ولد. Don't run in this road oh boy. لا تمحو هذه الكلمة يا أحمد. Don't erase this word oh أحمد. لا تمحو تدعو لا تدعو مع الله إلها آخر. Don't pray with Allah another God. إلها آخر. لا تدعو لا تمشي في الشمس يا محمد. Don't walk in the sunlight, O Muhammad. تأمل معي. نسي means he forgot. نسي ينسى, he forgets or he will forget. نسي ينسى. When lam is entering, see, ya is removed. Lam yansa. The same way in amr also, insa means forget. You didn't forget. Khashiya yaksha. He feared. He fears or he will fear. Lam yaksha, he did not fear. Yaksha, fear. Baqiya yabqa. Baqiya, he remained or it remained. Yabqa, it remains or it will remain. Lam yabqa, it did not remain. Yabqa, remain. Abaqiya min at-ta'ami shay'un. Did something remained from the food? La, lam yabqa. No, did not remain. Yabqa. Lam yabqa minhu shay'un. Did not remain from it anything. ذهبت أمي إلى مكة وبقيت هناك شهرين. My mother went to Makkah and stayed there for 2 months. وبقيت هناك شهرين. لا تنسى ما قلت لك. Don't forget what I said to you. لا تنسى ما قلت لك. Don't forget what I said to you. لا تنسى ما قلت لك. Don't forget what I said to you. ما قلت لك. نسيت معنى هذه الكلمة. I forgot meaning of this word. يخشى الله ولا تخشى أحدا غيره. Fear Allah and don't fear anyone other than him. Fear Allah and don't fear anyone other than him. أنا أنسى كثيرا. I forget very much. ما حضر طلحة منذ أسبوعين. Talha did not come since 2 weeks. أخشى أن يكون مريضا. I fear that he is sick. أن يكون مريضا. قال النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم. The Prophet صلى الله عليه وسلم said, يتبع الميت ثلاثة. 3 things follow the dead. يتبع الميت ثلاثة. 3 things follow the dead. طبيعي يتبع, to follow. أهله, his family. وماله, his wealth. وعمله, his deeds. فيرجع اثنان ويبقى واحد. فيرجع اثنان, 2 things return. ويبقى واحد, and 1 thing remains. يرجع أهله وماله, his family and his wealth return. ويبقى عمله, his deeds. يبقى stays or remains. Ahl, family. Mal. How the wealth is following? It refers to the, at the time, it refers to the slaves and servants of the dead one. Hamidun Mesha. Aminatu Mashat. Hamidun Masha. Aminatu Mashat. But here it is different. Hamidun Nasiya. This pattern is Samya pattern. Here Ya won't fall. Hamidun Nasiya. Aminatu Nasiyat. Ya is not removed here, whereas Ya is removed here. Mashat. Say, repeat. Hamidun Masha. Aminatu Mashat. Hamidun Nasiya. Aminatu Nasiyat.
لبيك اللهم لبيك 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 اللهم